welcome to my channel. I am so happy that you're here. I know I've been gone for like super long, and I know you missed me so much. I missed you too, I promise. But I'm too glad that I'm here, because I'm here now, so that's like the most important thing. But anyway, thank you so much guys for tuning in to yet another video. As usual, I am very grateful that you're here. Seriously, I am 100%. Anyway, today I am going to dive into a very simple and effective skincare routine for you guys, and especially for beginners. So if you're new to skincare, or if you're just looking to have a more sustainable routine, then this is the right video for you. But before you even dive into the steps of like skincare and whatnot, before you start any skincare regimen, it's important to understand your skin type. It's very crucial. So the main types of skins include like dry, oily skin, combination skin, normal, or even sensitive. Mine, for example, is dry, so identifying your skin type really does help in selecting the right products that suit the needs of your skin. So yeah, you might want to see a dermatologist, or basically just understand your skin, its needs, and the type. Alright, so yeah, I first need to first of all mention that. But yeah, for a simple routine, we have a few steps. So cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and applying a sunscreen. If you're feeling a little extra, you can probably add a serum or something. But yeah, that's basically it. Let's get into the routine. You begin by cleansing your face. I'm using this cleanser from La Roche-Posay. So yeah, just basically have a tiny amount in your hands. It's recommended that you use cold water to clean, and just know that your face actually needs to be a bit wet. Don't put cleanser on a face that's like super dry. But anyway, so you basically start by cleansing your face. I'll just be doing that for now. Yeah, I'm just cleansing my face. This specifically helps remove impurities on your face, excess oil, especially for people that have like super oily skin, and just keeps your skin and your pores very clear and clean. So yeah, basically a good routine starts with a clean face, which is why this is the first step. Our face is clean. I'm just gonna go in with a towel. Make sure that your towel is like super clean. And guys, of importance here is you need to pat your face dry instead of rubbing your towel. Be very gentle with your skin. It's really just what defines you. So yeah, I'm just going to pat my face dry. Then we'll go to the next step, which is the toner. Yeah. So guys, after cleansing your face, you want to go in with your toner. I'm using this clarifying solution from La Roche-Posay as well. It acts as a toner. But yeah, you basically just go in with a little bit of toner in your cotton wool. You'll notice that I'm using a cotton wool because, again, be gentle with your face. Remember, we want like a super healthy and happy skin, so you don't want to go in with like a really rough towel or whatever. So I'm just going in with my toner. Essentially, what a toner does is it helps restore your skin pH, and also just make sure that any excess dirt that was not removed on your cleansing is gotten rid of. And one other thing that it does is it helps your skin get ready to absorb any other products that you'll be using. So this is definitely a very important step. Once you have cleaned your skin, next you can incorporate a serum to your routine. Serum of your choice, really, obviously depending on the needs of your skin. In my case, I'm gonna use a vitamin C serum. This is a very powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from brightening to evening your skin tone. So normally I have vitamin C serum from La Roche, but I ran out. So yeah, just for the sake of today, I'm using one from Dr. Rachel. They also have really good products, so I'll be using this for today. But just a few drops can do wonders to your skin. Just pat slowly and allow your skin to absorb the serum as we get ready to moisturize it. It feels so good, actually. So good. And here we are, guys, ready to moisturize our skin after the serum. You might want to actually just jump into the moisturizing step immediately to make sure that you utilize and maximize the benefits of the serum. But yeah, this step is very crucial for all skin types actually, because it helps hydrate your skin and it also really helps lock in the moisture. So even if you have an oily skin, do not skip this step. It's very crucial. If your skin is oily, you might want to go with an oil-free moisturizer, but if you have a dry skin like mine, you might want to get one that has a richer formula. But it's a very important step. Skin feels very good and well moisturized. So yeah, this is basically what we do before we finally go to the sunscreen. And guys, if you haven't learned anything from this simple skin regimen, literally the last step, which is the sunscreen, is very important. Protecting your skin from sun damage is a very crucial step in your skincare routine. Even on cloudy days, really what this does is it prevents your skin from UV rays, sun damage, and also just prevents premature aging and wrinkles. I'm using one from La Roche as well. I prefer the sunscreen spray compared to the lotion, but either way it works as long as it's 50 plus, because it's very high protection. So please don't forget your sunscreen. If you love yourself, that is. Do not forget your sunscreen, which definitely does help in making sure that all the steps in the skincare routine are valid. Because skipping the sunscreen really just, I don't know, it's very counterproductive. So make sure that you don't skip this step. But yeah, this is the last step. As you can see, my skin is glowing. Yeah, this is supposed to be the expected results once you're done with your skincare. But yeah, I really love this. It's actually like the simplest routine ever. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. This simple routine is a starting point to your skincare, but remember that consistency is key. Be very patient to the results. Give your skin some time to actually identify which products work and which ones do not. But also remember to have a healthy, balanced diet, because it's very important. And if you can't, please exercise. It definitely does help in contributing to that glowy skin. But until next time, guys, I wish you guys all the best in your journey to a happier and a healthier skin. I'll see you again soon. Lots of love.